Hey guys, it's Mirelle and welcome to my channel. Sorry that I look so bad right now, but I woke up like this. But anyways, for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. It's a pretty realistic what I eat in a day, okay? I'm actually filming this after I've eaten my breakfast because now I have a bit more energy to film. I am pretty dead when I wake up, so I needed to eat before filming this. But yeah, I'll be featuring some Filipino food because my mom cooks a lot of Filipino food, and as you may or may not know, I am a full Filipino. I currently live in Canada, but I still do eat a lot of Filipino food, so shout out to all the Filipinos out there. And if you're not Filipino, then you get to see firsthand some homemade Filipino food. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. So the table is all set up for lunch now. Today we are eating leftovers for lunch. We have scrambled eggs, pineapple chicken, rice of course. Here we have Korean beef ribs, some Italian sausage, and some ground beef with vegetables. And that's what we're gonna have for lunch. It's dessert time. Yummy. Hi guys, so it's currently 4:44 p.m. right now, and I've been editing for the past few hours. I started eating this snack, Stico. If you're Filipino, you probably know what this is. It's so good. It's like a chocolate wafer stick. And I'm also drinking water, of course. I filled it up. And yeah, I'm thinking of starting to work out soon. And then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat after my workout. So, see you guys then. Okay, so I just finished my workout and it's around 5:40 now, so I'm thinking of making my go-to, which is banana and peanut butter smoothie. And then for food, I'm thinking of just looking in the fridge, seeing what I have here, because it's almost dinner time really, so I don't really want to eat too much. The smoothie is already really filling, so I think that will be enough. And yeah, I will show you guys my recipe for my peanut butter smoothie, so let's get started. So I've got the blender here. I've got to get all the ingredients. Okay, so here are some frozen bananas. They're fresh that I've cut up and frozen. I don't know how much I put in there. I kind of just eyeball. So I put this much bananas, I think like about 10 slices. Ooh. There we go, adjusted the lighting. And then peanut butter. So I put about like 1 teaspoon would be good. Like that. And after the peanut butter, I will put some almond milk. Okay. There's like a max line on the cup, and that's usually what I fill it up to. It's kind of a bit over, but it's fine. And then I just blend it after. banana stuff. I think that's good enough. Oh my god. So that's a really easy smoothie recipe for you. Only 3 ingredients. So just to review, that was just peanut butter, banana, and some milk, and you're good. Now, let me just clean up a bit. Okay, everything is clean. Let me just taste this. Pretty good. If you want it a bit sweeter, you could also add some honey, but I usually don't. It's good already as it is. So that's it for my smoothie. And now the food. Let's look in the fridge. I think I'm gonna eat this last samosa that we have. I will heat it up in the microwave and then I will go eat. My lonely samosa going in the microwave. Maybe 10 seconds would be good. Okay, now I'm just gonna eat my samosa and enjoy my smoothie. The samosa is filled with some cheese and spinach and it's pretty good. Okay, it's the last meal of the day, dinner time. Let me show you the food. So we have rice. The meal wouldn't be complete without it. We have salmon here and then noodle soup. For drinks, we just got water and orange juice. So that is dinner for tonight. Hey everyone, so that is all I have for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that the dinner portion was a little rushed. I know I didn't film a lot of it, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. And I also know my mom didn't necessarily cook some Filipino food today. I honestly didn't know what she was gonna cook, so it's really just a surprise to me. But, you know, everything that she cooks is always very delicious. And hopefully, you know, in future videos, if I film more what I eat in the days, that I'll get to feature more Filipino food. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.